Kaur. I'm from Delhi and I'm a digital marketer. So, being a digital marketer, I have faced so many challenges, but I will discuss some of them with you today. Earlier, I found it very difficult to manage my all profiles in a single roof, such as academic profile, professional profile, and personal profile. When I switched to digital portfolio, I have a great possibility to manage my all profile in a single roof with the ease of the technology. The second challenge was to manage the space, that where should I store my all type of data such as infographics, audios, videos and case studies of different clients or projects. For being a digital marketer, I need to store every type of data such as infographics, audios, videos and different multimedia. And for storing that, I used YouTube for video processing, Google Drive and some other platform. As you know that there are multiple platforms that can store multiple data format. At Indian Zero, I found digital portfolio. Here I can store all type of media files at the single base in a sophisticated manner. It is very easy for me to access the document or to access the other data and case studies and present it to the prospective clients in an efficient manner. It is really very useful. The next challenge was about getting the testimony, feedback and recommendation from previous clients. Earlier I was using LinkedIn. It was okay. We requested a recommendation from LinkedIn members only. There are 3 of my clients that are not even a part of LinkedIn. So I suppose how can I get the digitally signed recommendations from them? It was the biggest challenge that I have ever faced, but now with Indian Zero using digital portfolio, I can request a digitally signed recommendations from anyone who is not even a part of Indian Zero or other platform. They can come on Indian Zero, leave a recommendation for me as per my request that I can show to my other clients as well. So this is how I'm making my life easier, or we can say digital portfolio is helping me to make my life easier. I don't want to compare its feature with any other platform because I know it personally and I have used many platforms, but I love this platform very much. Indian Zero is doing amazing work and always coming up with the new innovation and new features on the regular basis. And yes, I'm a future ready with Indian Zero. Thank you so much.